Hello, everyone. Welcome to English with Daniel and Emma. My name is Emma. I am very happy to see you today. In this lesson, we will help you learn English. We will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is very easy and simple.
Hello, Emma, and hello, everyone. My name is Daniel. Thank you for watching this video today. This lesson is for beginners. Do not worry if your English is not good. We are here to help you.
Yes, Daniel. Today, we will learn how to talk about yourself in English. This is very important. You can use this when you meet new people. You can use this at school or at work. You can also use this when you travel. We will use very simple English.
That is right, Emma. Talking about yourself is easy. You just need simple words. You can talk about your name. You can talk about where you are from. You can talk about your age. We will show you how to do it step by step.
Please relax and listen carefully. You can repeat after us if you want. Do not be shy. Making mistakes is okay. Learning English takes time. Now, let us start our lesson together.
Emma, let us start with something very easy. Let us talk about our names. When you meet someone new, the first thing you say is your name. This is very simple and very important.
Yes, Daniel. You can say, "My name is Emma." You can also say, "I am Emma." Both are correct. Both are easy to use. You can choose the one you like.
That is right. For example, I can say, "My name is Daniel." I can also say, "I am Daniel." I say this when I meet a new person. It sounds polite and friendly.
Let us practice together. Listen carefully and repeat. My name is Emma. I am Emma. You can pause the video and say your own name. This will help you speak better.
Yes, practice is very important. You can say, "My name is," and then your name. For example, "My name is John," or "My name is Maria." Use your real name. This is how you talk about yourself.
Very good. This is the first step. Saying your name in English is easy. Do not be afraid. Speak slowly and clearly. Now, let us move to the next step. Now let us learn the next part. After you say your name, you can say where you are from. This is very common in English. People often ask this question. They want to know about you.
Yes, Emma. The question is very easy. People ask, "Where are you from?" You can answer in a simple way. You can say, "I am from Nigeria," or "I am from the USA." You just say your country.
That is correct. For example, I can say, "I am from England." I say this slowly and clearly. You do not need long sentences. Simple sentences are very good. This is perfect for beginners.
I can also answer like this. "I am from Canada." This sentence is short and easy. You can use it anywhere, at school, at work, or online. People will understand you.
Let us practice again. Listen and repeat slowly. I am from, and say your country. You can pause the video now. Say your sentence out loud. This will help your speaking.
Very good. You are doing great. Now you can say your name. You can say where you are from. This is very good English practice. Let us continue to learn more. Daniel, now let's talk about age. Age is another simple thing you can say about yourself. People may ask you, "How old are you?" This is a very common question.
Yes, Daniel. The answer is very easy. You can say, I am 20 years old, or I am 25 years old. You just change the number. This sentence is simple and clear.
That is right. For example, I can say, I am 30 years old. I speak slowly and clearly. You do not need difficult words. Simple English is perfect.
Some people also say, I am 18. This is also correct. Both ways are good. Choose the one you like. The most important thing is to speak.
Yes, speaking is very important. You can practice at home. Say your age in English. Say it many times. This will help you feel confident. Do not be afraid to make mistakes.
Very good. Now you can say your name, you can say where you are from, you can say your age, you can say what you do. You are learning very well. Let us move to the next part. Now let us talk about your job. This is another way to talk about yourself in English. People often ask, what do you do? This means your job or your study.
Yes, Emma. The answer can be very simple. You can say, I am a student. Or you can say, I am a teacher. You can also say, I am a driver. Use simple words.
That is correct. For example, I can say, I am a teacher. This sentence is short and clear. If you study, you can say, I am a student. This is very easy English.
If you don't have a job, that's okay. You can say, I am a student. Or, I am learning English. This is also correct. You do not need long sentences.
Let us practice again. Listen and repeat slowly. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a worker. Choose the one for you. Say it with confidence.
Very good. Now you can talk about many things. You can say your name. You can say where you are from. You can say your age. You can say what you do. You are doing a great job. Now let us put everything together. We will talk about ourselves using simple English. Listen carefully to Emma first. You can use this as an example. You can copy this style when you speak. This is very helpful for beginners.
Hello, my name is Emma. I am from England. I am 20 years old. I am a teacher. I like learning and teaching English. This is how I talk about myself in English.
Very nice, Emma. Now I will talk about myself. Hello, my name is Daniel. I am from Canada. I am 22 years old. I am a teacher. I like helping people learn English.
Very good, Daniel. Now it's your turn. You can say your name. You can say where you are from. You can say your age. You can say what you do. Speak slowly and clearly.
Yes, you are doing great. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Practice every day if you can. English becomes easier with practice. We are very proud of you.
Before you go, please like this video. It really helps our channel grow. Also, subscribe for more English conversations. We make easy English for beginners. We are happy to learn with you.
Yes, and please comment below. Tell us your name in English. Tell us where you are from. We would love to read your comment. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next English lesson.